Guys, what's going on? Today I am making a shrimp and jalapeno cornbread. It's going to go in a cast iron skillet inside the oven here inside the house. It's too hot. I'm not going outside. 6 p.m. but still going to stay inside where it's cool. Also, not making it from scratch. My tia Martha White sent me some cornbread mix, and I'm going to use that. It's going to be good. Stick around. All right, guys. So we're inside. And I'm going to start off with Tia's cornbread here. Cornbread mix. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 envelopes because I'm going to make quite a bit. Now to this, I'm going to add some cream corn. Stelmani cream corn. Good stuff, as always, like I always say. Whole can. Also going to add a cup of a shredded cheddar cheese. Jalapeños, I showed 2. I was going to do 2, but I'm going to do just 1. I mean, these things were humongous. I mean, look at that jalapeno. So I'm only going to do 1. Remind me to wash my hands when I do that in a bit. Get that in there. I've got a cup and a third of milk because it's 2 packs. Got that going on. I've got 2 eggs. They're slightly beaten. Throw that in the mix. Time for the star of the show, the shrimp. And this was going to be a whole pound. I'm going to put the whole pound in there. Maybe about half a pound, half the bag. Let's see what that looks like. Get this turned on. Hope it's not too loud. Start it slow. And go from there. If you guys ain't never had shrimp cornbread, trust me, you'll like it. Super simple, super easy. Take this up a little bit more. Kind of hoping that beater will hit that shrimp and maybe pulse it a little bit more. See how it goes. Just want to stir it till it's smooth. Don't need very long. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do the whole bag. 1 pound. See what happens. Right? Give it a shot. Alright, it's going to get mixed up. I got a cast iron skillet, 8-inch skillet on the stovetop. Put 3 tablespoons of butter. And I've got that melty, warming up that skillet. I'll put it in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 25 minutes. I'll bring that over here in just a second. Alright, let's push back on the way. Get this over here. Grab that skillet. That skillet there. That off and in the sink. Pour this in this pan. All that butter coming up. We'll see how high that rises. Might have needed a bigger skillet. Spoon. Then in there like that. Get this in the oven, and we'll bring it back in about 25 minutes. Alright guys, cornbread should be done. Oh yeah, look at that. Looky there, looky there. Jalapeno shrimp cornbread. Gonna dive into this, let it cool down just a little bit, cut her up, and see what it tastes like. It's gonna be good. Cornbread time. Give this a cut until it's already gonna be very moist and wet. It's definitely not stuck. Give it a shot here. Oh yeah, it's very moist. That cream corn in there keeps it really moist. And it's crisp on top though, I'll tell you that. See if I can get this big piece out of here. All that scraping and rubbing. How's that look? Can't see that side. Like I said, it's definitely wet, but it's good. Big old pieces of shrimp in there with it. Leave that there. Look here. Hey guys, all right, let's give this cornbread a try. Came out pretty good. It was a little hot. Let it cool down a little bit. You can see there's shrimp and jalapeno in there, a little cheese. It's got the right mixture. Texture is pretty good. Give it a bite. Very moist. Excuse me. Yeah, that's good. That shrimp in there. It's pre-cooked shrimp. Jalapenos, that cheese, add the cream corn. Very, very flavorful. Something different. It's a meal in itself. I don't know what she added to it. Maybe a salad or something like that. But I eat it just like this. And it's pretty dang good. Give it a shot. Give me some comments below. See what you think about it. If you try it, do you make it already? What do you put in your cornbread? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next one. The next one's going to be outside on the smokers, I promise. See ya.